Intro. Namaste and welcome to day 4 of Navratri. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment Jai Mata Di and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. On this day, we worship Ma Kushmanda, the radiant form of Durga who is believed to have created the entire universe with her divine smile. She represents energy, vitality, and new beginnings. Yojak Chinhi Yojak Chinhi Yojak Chinhi. Story of Ma Kushmanda. Before creation began, there was only endless darkness. It is said that Ma Kushmanda smiled and from her divine radiance the universe, the sun, the stars, the planets, and all life came into existence. That is why she is known as the Adi Shakti, the mother of the universe. Her name itself tells her story. Ku means a little, Ushma means warmth or energy, Anda means cosmic egg. Thus, Ma Kushmanda is the one who created the universe from a little cosmic egg. She rides a lion and is depicted with 8 hands, holding weapons, a rosary, nectar and lotus symbolizing power, blessings, and protection. Yojak Chinhi Yojak Chinhi Yojak Chinhi. Chakra connection. Ma Kushmanda governs the Anahata Chakra, the heart chakra. Worshipping her opens the heart, removes hatred, and fills life with love, compassion and courage. It also strengthens emotional balance and inner peace. Yojak Chinhi Yojak Chinhi Yojak Chinhi. Other stories of Ma Kushmanda. The sun's energy. It is believed that the sun itself shines with her radiance. Without her, Surya Dev would lose his brilliance. This is why she is often called the source of all light and life. Protector of devotees. In another legend, Ma Kushmanda destroyed a demon who was troubling sages in deep meditation. With her lion as her vehicle, she roared and crushed negativity, showing that her smile can create but also destroy evil. Bestower of Siddhis. Devotees believe that Ma Kushmanda grants the Ashta Siddhis, 8 spiritual powers, and Navanidhis, 9 treasures, to those who worship her with true devotion. Puja Vidhi. How to worship on day 4. Begin with a clean heart and light a ghee diya before the goddess. Offer red or orange flowers. Present pumpkin, malpua or halwa as bhog. Chant a mantra with devotion and meditate on her smiling form. Mantra for Ma Kushmanda. Om Devi Kushmandayai Namah. Chanting this mantra brings prosperity, health, and spiritual strength. Significance of worshipping Ma Kushmanda. She removes illness, negativity and fear. She blesses her devotees with courage and energy, and inner strength. She is also known to bless childless couples with children, and those facing hardships with sudden relief. Yojak Chinhi Yojak Chinhi Yojak Chinhi. Other stories of Ma Kushmanda. The destroyer of Durgamasura. In one legend, a powerful Asura named Durgamasura performed severe penance and gained a boon that made him invincible. With his powers he began to harass sages and disrupted all yajnas. The sages prayed to the Divine Mother, and Ma Kushmanda appeared in her blazing form. With her lion's roar and radiant weapons, she destroyed Durgamasura, restoring dharma and peace. Yojak Chinhi Yojak Chinhi Yojak Chinhi. Ma Kushmanda and the Navagrahas, 9 planets. Another story says that when the universe was still young, the Navagrahas, 9 planets, had no proper order or harmony. Ma Kushmanda balanced them with her divine energy so that human life could exist. She aligned the movements of the sun, moon, and other planets, which is why she is also considered the goddess of cosmic balance and astrology. Yojak Chinhi Yojak Chinhi Yojak Chinhi. The giver of energy to gods. When the Devas were weakened during battles with Asuras, Ma Kushmanda gave them renewed strength. It is believed that she infused them with her Shakti, which is why they could continue fighting and protect righteousness. Yojak Chinhi Yojak Chinhi Yojak Chinhi. Ma Kushmanda as Annapurna. Some traditions associate her with Annapurna, the goddess who feeds the world. It is said that after creating the universe, she provided food and nourishment so that life could flourish. This is why offering bhog, like pumpkin, malpua, or halwa, to her is considered very auspicious. Yojak Chinhi Yojak Chinhi Yojak Chinhi. So besides being the creator of the universe, she is also seen as protector from demons, balancer of planets and cosmic order, giver of energy and nourishment. In closing, on this 4th day of Navratri, may Ma Kushmanda's divine light fill our hearts with love, energy and positivity. May she bless us with strength to overcome obstacles and wisdom to live in harmony. Jai Mata Di. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment Jai Mata Di.